Hi guys! In today's video, I'm showing you how to copy and share TikTok profile. The process is straightforward and effortless, but before starting the process, make sure your TikTok app is up to date, because if it's not, then there is a chance you wouldn't see the same interface like mine. So that's why, before going anywhere, make sure your TikTok app is up to date. For checking, open the Google Play Store or Apple Store on your device and check it from there. And after updating your TikTok application, open it like me. And from here, tap on this profile icon, which is on the bottom right. Here you don't have to go anywhere. You can see the option: Edit Profile, Share Profile, and a profile icon with plus sign. If you tap on this option, Share Profile, here is the QR code of your profile. If someone scan it, then he can search your TikTok account. And here is the option Copy Link. If you copy the link, you can share it through Messenger, through WhatsApp and other platforms you have. Then by tapping on the link, people can visit your TikTok account and can be your friend. And here's the option Share Profile. If you tap on it, here you can see all the method, and also you don't have to copy the link. Simply tap on the Share Profile and direct share link on these platforms. And if it scroll to the left side, you can see all the platforms by which I can share this TikTok. And by tapping on this link, people will open my TikTok profile and can be my followers on TikTok. So it was the basic way by which you can copy and share the profile on social media platforms.